make you want me 'cause I'm hot now. I'm gone, so faded, I'm on one. Bang, bang, pop off like a long gun. If you ain't lame, nigga, you ain't making no noise. Get ready to turn up with the big boy. Live fast, die young, that's my choice. Get money like an invoice. Make the money, make the grip. I be stunning with my click. Get it faded till we trip. I love to get on, I love to get too on. When the drink be too strong, when the drink be way too strong. Get it turned up, blow it on up till I can't even think no more. Can't let you go down, then go more down, then we can keep it in, let's roll. I love to get too on, let's roll. I love to get too on, I love to get, let's roll. I love to get too on, let's roll. I love to get too on, I love to get, let's roll. Yeah, we can get active, and all my bitches attractive. We go, you know who we are now. Get high box in my car now. You ain't making no noise. Get ready to turn up with the big boy. Live fast, die young, that's my choice. Get money like an invoice. I be stunning like my click. Get it faded till we trip. I love to get on, I love to get too on. When the drink be too strong, when the drink be too strong. Get it turned up, blow it on up till I can't even think no more. Get ready to go down, then go more down, then we can keep it in, let's roll. I love to get, let's roll. I love to get, let's roll.
Pull your panties down from under you. Pick the pussy up, you wanna holla cute. Drunk in the bitch, high on that Mary Jane. Pussy in my mouth, pussy on my pinky ring. Nasty, baby, do it in the past. But it's marijuana, keep it cracked. Lights like my action. I ain't doing nothing to the cash. Money, we fast. Draped up and dripped out, keep the trees past. Girls with that thing up, fuck me, fuck rap. Days of a lie, so clap the cake. Spreading your thighs, I'm pump your brains. Hey,
Just give me the trees and we can smoke it, yeah. Just give me the drink and we can pour it, yeah. And my enemies, they see me living now. If you roll with me, then you'll be winning now. I love to get on, I love to get too on. When the drink be too strong, when the drink be way too strong. Get faded, turn up, blow it on up till I can't even think no more. Can't let you go down, then go more down, then we can keep it in, let's roll.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 'Cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. Yeah, and my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the rivers, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you want.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I am doing a review for Megalook hair and I'm really excited about this one, okay? Because first of all, let's talk about the fact that this is a whole week later. A whole week later, okay you guys? And you guys know me. Usually I'll review something and I've only worn it one time. Like the moment that I'm talking about it would be the only time that I've actually had the hair. Like I haven't had the hair long enough to really give an opinion on the hair. You know, it's usually just like my first initial review, right? So I had this unit and I loved it, but I didn't want to wear it the way that I had it at first, because at first I was literally just wearing it in like a flip over, but I'm like, this is a 360 unit. I do want to wear it in a ponytail. And this is a week later. This is what my hair looks like. Now I do want to keep in mind, I did wash my hair. I didn't just like come on here and this is just, oh, a week later, you guys, look at me. No, I did wash my hair. I conditioned it. I let my hair air dry. And then I went ahead and I just freshened up my baby hairs a little bit, you know, so they are just a little bit different from the last time you've seen them. As y'all can see, my plucking game is okay, period. The hairline is plucked perfectly. Y'all see the swoopty and the doopty, okay? And on this side, I went a little bit more crazy, just because depending on what side you want to wear your hair on, you know, if you want to wear it on this side, it can look like this, or if you want to wear it on the other side, you know, it's like a whole new type of look. You know what I mean? Even though it's the same unit, it's just like a different look. you know, because it's on a different side. So more natural side, this side, you know, giving more edges, and then the more fun, playful side is on this side. And I really, really do like the overall hair itself. Like, look at the texture of this hair. Like I said, I did wash my hair, let it air dry and everything, but this is after a week of having the hair. This is what it looks like. I typically, if I'm gonna be wearing a unit every single day, I have to wash my hair, not every week, because obviously I change my hair a lot, but like, if I'm wearing the unit long enough, I need to wash it, because for one, your curls are not going to be as popping if you don't wash your hair. And then two, when you wash your hair and let the hair air dry, it just brings your hair back to life. Like, you have to let it air dry though. Do not blow dry the hair. Do not try to like speed up the drying process. Just allow the hair to naturally dry, and then you'll always have beautiful curls like such. I didn't have to put any curl products in my hair. There is no type of curl products in my hair at all right now. The only product that I have on is water. And then there's a lot of body that's like on this part, you know, of course, because you gotta make sure this is nice and laid. And of course I use this for my baby hairs as well. And I know some of you guys are like, I really, really like to see you put your hair in the ponytail, but it's just a ponytail, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's really not that hard. I literally bent over like this and put the hair in a ponytail, you know what I'm saying? But I will say, when you are doing that, you guys, it is so difficult. Well, I'm not gonna say it's so difficult, but it can be very difficult to like do a ponytail on yourself. Like, that's why I really don't do 360 units like that, because it is very difficult to try. But if you have like somebody, who knows how to do hair in the house, then they can definitely help you like lay the back down, because you know some girls, they be gluing it in the back and all that. Like, I see a lot of the girls on YouTube that do that. Round of applause to you, okay? Because I know personally it's difficult for me, and maybe one day I can do that, but I don't even have another mirror so that I can see in the back of my head, you know what I mean, to like glue it down. And you guys also know I have a very petite head. My head is very small, so it's very difficult for me to like even wear 360 units, because I always have to like overlap my straps. There's always gaps in the back. Like, girl, it'd be the struggle, okay? For the girls out there that have the little heads like me, okay, you guys can relate. It is a struggle, and it's like, it's frustrating sometimes, but you know, we make it work, period. That's what we're gonna do. But yeah, you guys, this is the look though. I really like this ponytail. Like I said, I didn't want to wear it down, because when I first was wearing the hair, like I wore the hair for the entire week, and I wore my hair down. Like, I just wore it in the flip over. I just wore it kind of wild and crazy, like how you guys saw it before. And then I went ahead and I put it in this beautiful ponytail today, and I really do like it. It's more of a casual type of vibe. So I did go ahead and put on this really cute, backless romper. Well, it's not really a romper, it's a jumpsuit. I'm gonna show y'all my whole fits, but I can't show y'all. It's so annoying. This is what I'm wearing. And it's backless, okay? Because y'all need to get the whole vibe. So you guys can kind of get the vibes. Y'all get the vibes. So you guys can kind of see everything. I thought this was like a cute, fun, like playful look. And then if you wanted to, you know, you don't have to have the hair like to the side. You can wear it back. You can wear all of your hair to the back. There's always like those little pieces. But yeah, we're all to the back like this. You know, or you can put it up in like a cute little bun. You can do 2 ponytails. You can do a lot of different things. But I didn't want to do a half up, half down, because this is a 360 unit. So this is pretty much how I decided to style my hair today though, you guys. I really, really like my edges, like on both sides, like what they're doing. This side is giving more natural edge, you know what I mean? I will of course leave all the info down in the description box, but I absolutely love this unit, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will too. So make sure you drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this unit, and if you're interested in picking it up for yourself, check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there is something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Megalook Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful 360 unit. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for watching and showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my my next one. Bye.